Exercise 2.5 8th sum by the principle of mathematical induction. N into n plus 1 n into n plus 2 is divisible by by 6 for all n is element of capital N. Solution. Let the statement Pn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. P1 left hand side, that is P1. P1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, that's equal to 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. It is divisible by 6. Therefore, P1 is true. Step 2. Step 2. Let us assume that Pk is true. Pk is true. That is Pk is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to multiplied by 6 means 6m. Step 3. Step 3. To prove Pk plus 1 is true, Pk plus 1 is equal to first k instead of k we should substitute k plus 1. K plus 1 means another k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2, and k plus 1 plus 2 up k plus 3. Pk plus 1 is this. Then we are going to take this as k into something plus 3 into something. We are going to put like that. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. That is, this is by step 2, this is 6m. 3 into, we introduce a k here, and by k we can cancel it, then equal. That is k plus 1 into k plus 2. 6m. 3 by k. K into k plus 1, k plus 2. This is 6m. Take 6 as 6m is common. That is 1 plus 3 by k. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Therefore, Pk plus 1 is true. Therefore, Pn is true for all value of n. That's all. Exercise 2.5 9th sum. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove that 2 power n is greater than n for all Small n is element of natural number. That is solution. Let the statement be P of n. That is P of n is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. Therefore, let P1 is equal to 2 power 1. That is, we can, it is true, that is, it is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. Therefore, P1 is true. P1 is true. Step 2. Let us assume that Pk is true. Pk is true. That is, Pk is equal to 2 power k is greater than k. It is true. Then step 3. Step 3. To prove Pk plus 1 is true, Pk plus 1 is equal to 2 power k plus 1. That is equal to, we can change this as 2 power k into 2. It is 1. That is, by step 2, 2 power k into 2 is greater than 2k. That is, double 2 power k. Double 2 power k. That is double 2 power k. 2k means 2 power k into 2 means double 2 power k. 2k. Therefore, 2 into 2 power k is greater than k plus 1. Therefore, Pk plus 1 is true. Therefore, Pn is true for all value of n. That's all.